Video I have for you guys today is a hair tutorial on Brigitte Bardot's iconic hair. This was requested a while back by someone on Tumblr. So, while I still do have bangs, they're a little bit different. They're so much more fuller now, and I don't anymore have love locks, but I think it still looks pretty good. If you guys want to see how I did this, then keep on watching.
Brigitte Bardot's hair is super voluminous, so my number one tip is to do this hairstyle on a day where your hair is frizziest. I have to straighten my bangs and a chunk of hair on both sides and a chunk of hair behind my bangs. I'd hate to tease and hairspray my hair, so instead I will make a beehive with a loop bun. It doesn't have to be big, especially if your hair is thin like mine. Now I will gather all the hair I left out and carefully and strategically place them over the loop bun to make a beehive. I will take some of my bangs as well, since I don't need very full bangs for this hairstyle. In fact, I would like it to be on the thinner side. Hold all the hair gently. When I tie everything with a ponytail, you'll see that I'm not trying to tie it very tight and close to my scalp. It's actually pretty loose and high. My aim is more to tie all the hair together, especially the short ones. Now I will start curling. On normal days, I brush my hair, I straighten it, and then I curl it for more relaxed curls. But right now, I want chunky and tight locks. You know those porcelain dolls and their locks of curly, stiff hair? I'm going for that look. Since I've cut my bangs straight across and I don't have love locks anymore, I'm placing the shorter pieces around my face just to get the same effect.
That's it, you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you have video ideas, suggestions, comments, things you want me to do, just put them in the comments below. I want to do them, I'm going to do them, and that's it. I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye!